Assalamu alaikum students. Today you have English grammar work related to past perfect tense. The definition is वो फेल जिसमें किसी काम का करना या होना ज़माना माजी में मुकम्मिल होना ज़ाहिर हो। उर्दू में शनाख्त उर्दू फ़िक्रे के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे वगैरह आता है। The rules are you will use third form of the verb and had as helping verb. In case of a singular noun and a plural noun, you will use had. Sequence of the sentence you have in English sentence. मैं अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुकी थी. In English, I had finished my work. First of all, you will write down subject, then helping verb, next verb, third form of verb you will write, and in the end you will write object. Next you have negative sentence. तुलबा इम्तहान नहीं दे चुके थे. The students had not taken the exam. The students is a subject, had is a helping verb, with the addition of not, taken is a verb, and the exam is a object. On next page, interrogative sentence. क्या उसने सवाल हल कर लिए थे? Had she solved the sums? Next, negative interrogative sentence. क्या तुम खत नहीं लिख चुके थे? In English, had you not written a letter? Next, you have past perfect continuous tense. उर्दू में शनाख्त उर्दू फ़िक्रे के आखिर में ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे वगैरह आता है. इसमें वक्त शामिल होता है. The rules are you will use first form of verb with the addition of ing, and you have helping verb here, had been, and with singular or a plural noun you will use had been. And you will add here for time, since or for. Since in case of point of time like 2010 morning and 5 o'clock, and for in case of period of time like 2 days, 5 hours and 3 years. On next page you have affirmative sentences. हम 2 घंटे से आराम कर रहे थे. We had been taking rest for 2 hours. Next, negative sentence. वो 3 दिन से सवाल हल नहीं करते रहे थे. They had not been solving the sums for 3 days. Interrogative sentence. क्या बच्चा शाम से रोता रहा था? In English, had the child been weeping since evening? Next, negative interrogative sentence. क्या बावर्ची दोपहर से खाना नहीं पकाता रहा था? In English, had the cook not been cooking food since noon? No, you have diary. English B, past perfect and perfect continuous tense. Translate into English for practice.